Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ano to, no? Reading ito for Virgo. And this is for Virgo General reading. So, anong naghihintay sa'yo kapalaran sa money and love. So, January to February. This is for January and January going to February 2024. Okay? Okay. Start na natin ang reading. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, pa-subscribe na lang guys. Pahit ng notification bell. And feel free na i-follow din ako sa TikTok. Unicorn Princess Tarot, yun yung aking TikTok. Okay, let's start the reading, Virgo. Ano ang naghihintay na kapalaran ng Virgo for the month of January going to February 2024? Magsimula tayo sa money. Ano naghihintay na kapalaran for you, Virgo? Take only what resonates, guys. This is not personal reading. So, maaaring may mga sasabihin ako, babanggitin ako na maaaring hindi ka nakaka-relate. The sun is here. Wow. This is, actually yung the sun is all about positivity, and there you are with the Hermit. This is Virgo energy. Ayan, Major Arcana, the Ten of Wands, and then the Queen of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Five of Wands, and the Knight of Pentacles. I can see an offer na maaaring either ikaw ang magbibigay ng offer na ito. Like, pwedeng you do have this offer na pwedeng gustong makuha ng lahat. Like, a lot of people with the Five of Wands energy, sila yung naglalabanan. Or they are like, maybe people na parang gusto nilang i-take yung offer or yung place mo. Okay? Or yung, I feel like this is you with the Knight of Pentacles and the Page of Pentacles, na marami kang kayang i-offer, and then a lot of people gusto nilang makuha kung ano man yung offer na ito. Marami ang magkakagusto na i-take kung ano man itong offer na ito. And you do have here the Ten of Pentacles. A lot of money is coming, paparating sa'yo, because itong might be yung career mo is sinasamahan mo ng love, ng emotion, ng puso, no? Especially for some of you, maaaring isa ito sa pangarap mo, no? With a star. And I feel like, with the Ace of Cups, ikaw yung tipo ng taong mapagmahal ka naman talaga eh. Tapos dito sa career na ito, pwedeng sinamahan mo rin ng puso. You know what I mean? Especially with the Queen of Cups. I feel like yung iba sa inyo, maraming responsibilidad. Maraming obligasyon. Yung iba, pwedeng kahit nasa home ka lang or nasa house, I feel like may mga learnings or pagkatuto na ginagawa or gagawain itong month ng January to February. And I feel like magiging masaya or magiging positibo ang outcome ng kung ano man ang ginagawa mo or gagawin mo, because I find this reading na parang busy ka, pero at the same time gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. Okay? So, tell me more. Yeah, I can see you being a busy person this January to February, pero gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. So, tell me more pagdating sa money for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Please, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides, for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. ano ang naghihintay para sa ating mga Virgo messages pagdating sa money. Okay, thank you Spirit Guides Angel guys for the sign of Virgo pagdating sa money. You do have here the Six of Wands. Yeah. The Fool. Queen of Swords. Yan. The Ace of Cups. So talagang ang career mo na ito ngayon ay sinasamahan ng puso, ano? Kaya, nakikita natin with the Ten of Pentacles na marami pang pera ang paparating sa'yo dahil sa kaugalian mo na yan. Kasi, itong career mo, hindi lang basta career for you. Maybe for some of you, it involves family. Yan. Yung iba sa inyo, if you're being professional, at as much as possible, tinatry mong hindi maging, hindi maging emotional, na tipong yung iba sa inyo pwedeng puso ang nagdedesisyon, pwedeng ganon. Pero, tinatry mong hindi maging ganon. Pero you are actually born na ganyan ka na talaga. Matulungin ka with the Six of Pentacles. So, anong gagawin mo? Lalo na kung na-involve ka na dun sa mga kasamahan mo, sa career mo, no? Sa business, or if this is a career na may teamwork or what, nai-involve ka dun sa mga taong nandun. Na to the point, nakatrabaho mo lang pero nagiging lagay na yung loob mo, nagiging kaibigan mo na. Then, yeah, you do have here the Three of Cups. So, this is you like, kumbaga more than magkatrabaho na yung connection dito. It's like friends, no? And ito yung nagbibigay lalo ng success sa'yo. Kasi itong mga taong ito, nakikita natin na sumusuporta sila sa'yo. So, for some of you na walang work, walang career, walang kahit ano, with the Fool, kailangan mong mag-take ng risk. Like, this is a sign for you na kailangan mong umalis or lumabas sa iyong comfort zone. Okay? Maaaring hindi ka sanay sa ganyan, hindi mo alam yan, etc. Pero kailangan mong i-try. Lumabas ka sa iyong comfort zone. Okay? And, yeah, I can see a lot of money. I can see a lot of money coming. Paparating sa'yo. For some of you, nakakakita ko ng something na inipon or ipon money na pwedeng ilabas or i-invest or ilabas para sa something na parang mas mag-grow or mas dumami pa yung iyong finances. And I can see you teaching a lot of people, no? Or like pwedeng ikaw ay maging advisor and you are teaching people kung ano yung mas magandang gawin. And I feel like ito yung magbibigay ng malaking success para sa'yo because you're trying to connect with people and yung mga taong yon sinasamahan mo ng puso. Nandun yung pagpapahalaga mo sa mga tao, nandun yung pagmamahal mo, yung gusto mong makatulong, nandun. Kaya itong mga taong ito, sila rin yung magbibigay ng success para sa'yo. Okay? And what is the challenge here pagdating sa money for Virgo? The Moon is here and the Ten of Cups. I don't see any challenge here for you. Wala. Ang challenge lang is pagdating sa money, no? Wala tayong nakikita. Nakakakita ko ng mga tao na gusto nilang i-destroy ka. Pero wala hindi ka naman kayang i-destroy or pabagsakin nitong mga taong to. No, bagkus sila pa yung nakikita nating umaalis or aalis or lalayo. No? Kasi hindi ka nila kayang pabagsakin. Ang challenge lang for you maybe is may kinalaman sa family. Like, I can see na kailangan mong gamitin ang iyong intuition pag something na parang may mali or parang pakiramdam mo may sikreto na dapat pag-usapan, dapat mong malaman. Ayun lang, kailangan wala yung kinalaman sa money, guys. It's just like an overall challenge for you na parang pwedeng may kinalaman sa family na I feel like there's secrets here na kailangan mong malaman. Like, kailangan pag-usapan. Okay? So, punta tayo pagdating sa love. Ano yung naghihintay sa'yo for the month of February. January going to February. Okay? Ano naghihintay sa'yo sa love? Gagamit ako ng ibang card or ibang deck. Wait lang, guys. Kukunin ko lang yung deck na gagamitin ko. So, I'm feeling this one. Ito yung deck na gagamitin ko. Tanggalin ko lang to dito, ha. This is for love. Ano naghihintay sa Virgo para sa love? January to February 2024. January to February 2024. One last shuffle. Okay, thank you, Spirit guys. Angel guys. Naghihintay sa Virgo for the month of January to February pagdating sa love. You do have here the Ten of Swords, Three of Cups, and the Six of Swords. Sorry, it's the Page of Cups. Pero ang nakita ko is the Six of Swords. So I will read the Six of Swords. Isasama ko siya dito sa reading na ito dahil yun ang nagpakita sa akin. Anyway, so sa nakikita ko dito, I'm seeing an ending of something, pagdating sa love. And maybe it is relationship with someone. Pwedeng maybe a friend or a person na talagang with the Page of Cups. It's like a person in the past, and I feel like may childhood memories or maybe may kinalaman sa child or what yung connection ninyo ng person na to, but I feel like there's some kind of ending na nangyayari this January and February for you. Someone here is waiting na magkaroon ng desisyon, and I feel like someone here is maybe you or your person. Nakakita tayo dito ng obligasyon na parang ito yung nagiging problema kung bakit hindi siya makapagdesisyon. Pwedeng ikaw yon or pwedeng yung person nakakonect mo dito. High chance that this is a soulmate connection, pero it's like a soulmate connection or maybe even twin flame para sa iba. The moon and the star is here. Parang alam ng person na ito na ikaw yung gusto niya, ikaw yung gusto niyang makareconcile, pero hindi siya sure or hindi niya alam kung anong dapat gawin. So, it's like kaya nagkakaroon ng ending sa situation sa inyong dalawa dahil hindi niya alam kung paano magdidesisyon, paano umalis sa isang sitwasyon, paano i-cut off yung mga dapat i-cut off dito. And I feel like sobrang nalulungkot itong person na ito kasi I feel like matindi yung paghanga. But tell me more about the connection, please. Spirit guides, angel guides. January to February. before. Yung iba sa inyo, maaaring naka-move on ka na. So, like, itong ending na ito, hindi ka na nababother dito. Maybe part of you is gusto mo ng reconciliation. Pero, maybe a reconciliation na something na stable. 'Di ba? Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo gusto mo ng reconciliation, pero kung magkakaroon ng reconciliation, yung stable. Maybe there's partnership, there's friendship na may patutunguhan, pwedeng ganun. Hindi naman necessarily relationship agad. Maybe partnership na may kinalaman sa career, sa work, sa business, I don't know. Maybe something to do with a house or a home. Pwedeng ganun. Maayos na pag-uusap regarding doon. By the way, I don't know kung meron ka bang food allergy. This could be a reading. Or pwedeng something na sakit sa balat. This could be a reading. Yeah, maybe yung yung acne or yung tagihawat na marami. Pwede na rin nating i-consider 'yon eh. Anyway, tell me more. January to February. The Hierophant is here. Ace of Pentacles. Pagdating sa love, for the sign of Virgo, the Queen of Cups. Tell me about the Queen of Cups. Four of Swords. Tell me about the Hierophant. Five of Cups. Tell me about the Ace of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. The Emperor is here. Two of Swords and the Four of Wands. Yeah. I feel like with the Hierophant, that's Taurus energy. Itong taon to, sobrang hindi siya masaya sa kung ano yung situation talaga niya. Like, ang daming lessons. The Hierophant is all about the lessons na natututunan itong person na ito with the Five of Cups na nagdudulot sa kanya ng kalungkutan. Matinding kalungkutan. And this person wants to offer you something. Nandun yung kagustuhan niya mag-offer sa'yo because you are the Queen of Cups and the Four of Swords. Wala kang ginagawa regarding sa connection na ito. Might be you're just focusing on moving on or moving on sa sarili mo, or maybe kung hindi man sa pag-move on, maybe pag move forward sa mga gusto mong puntahan. Okay? Kumbaga, gusto mo puntahan sa buhay mo, like might be maybe the part of you na talagang sabihin na nating spiritual na part mo is already dead. Sabihin na natin ganon. Kumbaga maaring before, in the past, sobrang nandun yung pagkagusto or pagmamahal mo dito sa soulmate energy na ito, but now it's already dead. Wala na yon. Tapos na yon. And now, you might be focusing sa iyong material na buhay, na material na bagay, nandun yung focus mo. And sa energy na ito, you are being the Emperor here. So, maaaring yung mga decision mo ngayon ay may mga kinalaman na lang sa iyong stability, like career, work, home, ayan, nandun. Something na, because, alam mo, nakita natin sa iyo is naging mas mature ka na. Maybe in the past, you are being immature pagdating sa love, but this time around, you are more mature, okay? And you are a brand new person, sabihin na natin ganon. Ayan, sabihin na natin naka-move on ka na nga and that you are focusing sa mga material na bagay at kung ano pa yung mga dadating pa sa'yo, no? Pagdating sa mga material na bagay. Yeah. And more on pera na, pera, sabihin na natin gano'n, na doon yung focus mo and kung ano yung mga bagay na mabibigay mo dito sa mga taong nasa paligid mo. Okay, nandun. At I want to know more about this person. Kasi talaga nalulungkot siya. Alamin natin bakit siya nalulungkot. This past person ay sobrang nalulungkot. Alamin natin bakit. Bakit siya nalulungkot? The Ace of Cups is here. So, talagang matindi yung pagmamahal kasi nitong taong ito sa'yo. With the Ace of Cups, this is all about love na nararamdaman nitong taong ito. Tapos, nararamdaman niya na ikaw ay with the Chariot, lumalayo. Or, papalayo ng papalayo or umaalis or umiiwas na sa kanya. So, feeling niya ganon. And that, nalulungkot siya because nakikita kanya as the Empress. Sobra ang pagkahanga or pagkagusto sa'yo nitong taong to. And with the Six of Cups, I feel like gusto niyang ibigay sa iyo ang lahat pero parang sa ngayon wala kasi siyang maibigay or hindi niya maibigay. And also at the same time with the Nine of Wands, I feel like yung person na ito is maraming challenges na nangyayari sa buhay niya ngayon na isa pa ito sa nakaka-contribute kung bakit siya nalulungkot. And with the Seven of Swords, akala mo lang umiiwas itong taong to pero wala lang talaga siyang mukhang maiharap. So isa pa ito sa kinakalungkot ng person nito. And with the Temperance, naghihintay pa kasi siya na ito'y nagiging dahilan din kung bakit nalulungkot siya kasi mahirap maghintay na hindi mo alam kung may hinihintay ka pa. Okay? What will be the outcome for you, Virgo? What will be the outcome for you, Virgo? You have the Two of Wands. Two of Pentacles is here. So, nakikita natin, you will be focusing in your, dito sa iyong priorities. More on priorities. And you do have the Strength card. You are a better person. Kung ano yung mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo, nakikita natin na kaya mong harapin itong mga ito. And with the Knight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. I want to clarify the Knight of Cups. Bago ko siya i-read. Clarify the Knight of Cups, please. The Five of Pentacles is here. Clarify the Five of Pentacles. The World. Yeah. Like, I'm seeing a person na gusto pa ring, like, gusto niyang, alam mo yun, yung parang gusto niyang makita kang walang-wala. That's weird. Gusto niyang makita kang walang-wala. And I feel like this is someone na malayo talaga sa'yo. You do have the world. Definitely may separation or pagkakalayo sa inyo nitong taong ito. And gusto niyang makita kang walang-wala. It's like because gusto niyang makita na kailangan mo siya. And that this person, once with the death card, Scorpio energy, gusto niya ng like maybe something na mag-end. This, kasi itong person na to gusto niya mag-offer ng helping hand. You know, gusto niya maging King of Wands and King of Cups dito, the one that you need. And, ayun, gusto niya kailanganin mo siya. And with the Three of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy, I can see, I feel like 2 people to 3 people na, makikipag-communicate sa'yo. A lot of people wants you, by the way. Marami ang taong nagkakagusto sa iyo ngayon. Whether sa love and papagdating um, sa mga taong gusto maging part ng buhay mo. No, hindi lang sa love, no? Pati sa friendship, gusto nilang maging parte ng buhay mo because they see you as someone na very special. And yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.